Students, today is Friday and we are back with the concluding part of our video of chapter 7 MCB, all by electricity. In this portion, we will see how Captain Nemo has produced many things with the help of electricity, which he got by exploiting the sea water. So electricity has given the Nautilus heat, light and even movement. The air which he breathed, which Captain Nemo breathed, was also manufactured by what? By electricity which he got from the sea water. So you can say that what did he do? How did he get the air? The electricity provided him with air for breathing. The powerful pumps which he had made in his ship, in the Nautilus, that stored air in the special tanks, and it allowed him to remain at the deepest level as long as he wished, that is under the sea as long as he wished. And also, so this Captain Dr. Aronnax now praised him for this new real dynamic power of electricity, which he said that people will one day discover. And Captain Nemo, he had also showed Dr. Aronnax that he had made a clock. The clock also gave him light more continuously than the sun could. He showed him a clock which was an electric one and kept time more accurately than the best chronometers. And Captain Nemo said to Dr. Aronnax that this clock was divided into 24 hours like the Italian clocks. And since for him he was inside the submarine, he did not know when it was night or when it was day. He could not see the sun nor moon, but only the artificial light which he carried with him to the bottom of the seas. And so he could also tell that the time at the time he was talking with Dr. Aronnax, the time was 10 in the morning. So Dr. Aronnax was surprised with the wonderful things which electricity has provided the Captain Nemo. And so this Captain Nemo was a very, you can say, was a first class engineer. And so he also showed him, Captain Nemo also showed Dr. Aronnax a dial which indicated the speed of the Nautilus. And there was an electric circuit which connected it to the propeller of the log. And his needle showed him the actual speed of the engine. And at that moment, they were moving at a moderate speed of 15 knots. You know what is knots? The distance in the sea is measured in nautical miles. So you see this. So Captain Nemo showed many more things. He said that he had not finished showing all the wonderful things which he had made from the sea water. Then Captain Nemo took Dr. Aronnax to the rear section of the Nautilus, and he showed him a kitchen. There was a 10-foot kitchen which was situated between the storerooms, and all the cooking in the Nautilus was done with the help of electricity. It was much better than gas, and because from where would they get the gas? In the sea. So everything was done by electricity. So the wires under the cookers, they were evenly distributed, and they maintained the heat over the platinum plates. The electricity also heated the distillation devices, which used evaporation to provide them with good drinking water. And near the kitchen, there was a bathroom. There were also taps which provided them with hot and cold water whenever they wanted to use it. And after the kitchen room, there was a control room which was about 16 feet long, but its door was closed. And so Dr. Aronnax wondered that how many people were required to operate the Nautilus. But he was shown that later. At the end, we see that there was a fourth watertight division which separated the control room from the machine room. There was a door which opened, and Dr. Aronnax found him in the chamber where Captain Nemo, he was an engineer of the first class or the first order. He had installed his machinery for locomotion. Locomotion means movement. And the engine room was brightly lit, and it was more than 20 meters long. It was divided into two clear parts. The first contained the devices for producing the electricity, and the next contained the mechanism for transmitting the movement to the propeller. So Dr. Aronnax was completely surprised to see this new agent called electricity, and he was wonderstruck at the way Captain Nemo had utilized the sea water to produce electricity. He had harnessed the sea water and had used it which had helped. That is, electricity had helped him to go on in life, to go ahead in his life. So this is what we see in this story. At the end of the story, we will see that. I hope you have understood this story, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the Zoom class, and also you can send me messages to WhatsApp, and I'll send you the question answers. Thank you and have a nice day.